If you need to contact Hostinger customer care, the good news is that the process is actually very simple once you know where to look. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to reach support inside your Hostinger dashboard, how to start the chat, and how to get connected to a human agent when the AI assistant isn't enough. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy tech guides just like this. Let's jump in. First, log into your Hostinger account. Once you're inside your dashboard, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You should see an option that says Ask or Help. This is the main support entry point, and it's where Hostinger organizes its customer care options. Go ahead and click Ask or Help. After that, Hostinger will open its chat support system, which is usually powered by Kodee AI. This assistant is designed to help answer common questions quickly, so it's the first step in getting support. Now, type your issue into the chat box. Be as clear and specific as possible. For example, you can explain that you need help with billing, hosting settings, domain issues, email setup, or anything else related to your account. The more detail you provide, the faster the support system can point you in the right direction. If the AI assistant gives you answers that don't fully solve the problem, don't worry. This is where the next step comes in. Simply type "Talk to Human" into the chat. That exact phrase is the key request that helps connect you to a real support agent instead of only using the automated assistant. Once you send that message, follow any additional prompts Hostinger gives you. Depending on the situation, you may need to choose a category or briefly confirm your issue before the live chat connection is made. After that, you should be able to continue with a human representative who can help with more complex problems. A helpful tip here is to have your account details, domain name, or relevant screenshots ready before you start the chat. That way, if the agent asks for more information, you can respond quickly and avoid delays. Also, if you're trying to solve a specific technical issue, it helps to describe the problem in 1 or 2 short sentences before asking for human support. That can make the conversation smoother and often gets you to the right person faster. So to recap, log into Hostinger, click Ask or Help in the top right, open the Kodee AI chat, type your issue, and then type Talk to Human to connect with an agent. That's the easiest way to contact Hostinger customer care from inside your account. If this video saved you time, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.